How to access TurboTax for free. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and search for TurboTax Free. Now you want to click on the TurboTax Free Edition. If you have a simple Form 1040 return only, you could be eligible to file for absolutely free. 37% of taxpayer qualify for the free version of TurboTax. A simple Form 1040 return is one that's filled using IRS Form 1040 only. If you have a simple Form 1040 return only as described above, you can file for free yourself with TurboTax Free Edition. If your return doesn't qualify for TurboTax Free Edition, TurboTax has other paid options to use. Remember that W-2 income, interest, dividends, or original issue discounts that don't require filing a Schedule B, IRS standard deduction, earned income tax credit, child tax credit, student loan interest deduction are all included in 1040 return. For this, you can click on the Get Started option and file for absolutely free using the TurboTax Free version. However, if your situation does not include these things, then you might have to purchase the other paid versions of TurboTax. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.